Google continues to collect a user's location data even if the user has turned off the location history setting on their mobile device. The data privacy issue affects both iOS and Android platforms. The issue roots from Google's location history setting, which can be turned on and off depending on the user's preference. Turning off the setting only stops Google from collecting location data it uses to build a timeline of where a user has been. Even with the setting turned off, Google is able to collect location data via other Google apps and services such as Google Maps, Search, and weather updates. Google takes a snapshot of time and location every time a user opens Google Maps or performs a search. Google still tracks the user even if they have location tracking turned off. Google explicitly asks for permission to have location tracking turned on for an app if needed, but having a setting that's labeled location history is problematic as it could be perceived as a universal switch to turn off tracking. The issue concerning Google's location tracking settings is the latest in a continuing series of data privacy matters facing many tech companies, including tech giants Google and Facebook.